Taffy got one?
Go ahead, open your presents.
Does Taffy have one?
What you got, Tic Tac?
Taffy.
Look at, he's opening.
Is that yours? Now open that. Here, Taffy. No, that's yours.
Good boy. What do you got, little guy? Got a toy?
Taffy, come here.
Okay, he got it. Give him the other one.
This Tic Tacs or Taffy's?
Well, either one. Doesn't matter. I got 2 more.
Here. You want to open it?
She could care less.
I know.
Oh, what you got, Tic Tac? New toy? Here, want another one?
Here.
Tic Tac.
Here, Taffy.
Want another one? Get it.
Taffy.
Taffy.
Hey, girl, come here. Look at that.
Oh, he likes his new toy already.
Is that a toy? Is that a toy?
It squeaks.
This one don't squeak, does it?
On the tail.
This one don't
You
squeak.
found the squeak. Aww.
Taffy,
Taffy.
what's that?
What you got, Tic Tac?
Is that a new toy? It's a toy. You know what toy? What? Good girl. Good girl.
Oh, I see Tic Tac like his new toy.
Good girl.
Yeah.
Are you done now?
You'll say Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.